Hi, my name's Lee Cunningham. Welcome to HWM Aston Martin here at Walton-on-Thames. We're delighted to offer this lovely 2019 China Grey Aston Martin Vantage. So we're just going to give you kind of a first glance video, really show you some of the features of the car. It's quite unique, quite a special specification. We're going to start off with the exterior, then move on into the interior of it. So some of the key features on the specification of the China Grey Vantage, you've got the lower gloss package, which really offsets the colour, I feel. Also quite unique to this particular car is the graphite grey 10-spoke alloy wheels, 20-inch wheels, and also the black brake calipers, which is really cool because it keeps the whole grey-black theme throughout the external appearance. So there's not too many kind of changes of colour, which I think is really important, and that really kind of transcends into the interior of the car, so you keep that nice balance. One of the other features on the rear of the car is the diffuser, and the fins on the diffuser are body colour as well. So again, it's just that nice contrast between black and grey, and all these detailed areas really kind of give the car a real purposeful character throughout. So we'll move on to the interior of the car just to describe some of the features with that part of it as well. So now we've moved into the interior of the car, and as touched on before, what's really key with this particular car is you've got a lovely balance between the exterior and interior, and that theme carries over. So we've got the gloss satin and jewellery pack on all the vents and around the centre console, touchpad, premium audio system as well, which is an essential part of the specification with the car, centre armrest, and it's really finished in a beautiful leather throughout the car. You've got the Sports Plus seats, which is again is a must-have kind of option in my opinion, in terms it really gives you a lot of support when driving this car. And you've got the sports leather steering wheel as well, so the whole leather theme throughout the interior across the dash top. So yeah, it's a lovely spec car, really strong in terms of its appearance, its condition. There's no real marks or damage on the interior or the exterior. So like I said, for someone, if you're interested in a Vantage which has got a real kind of presence on the road and it's got a real kind of dark theme to it, then this is the car for you. It's in lovely condition and available for a viewing or a test drive here at HWM on Walton-on-Thames.